And niggas got jokes. In 10 years, me and you gonna have matching Benzes.
10 years? Think of more like 10 days, man. 10 days.
YouTube, what's good, y'all? Back again with another video out here at Autocity, wheel and auto body repair. So y'all make sure y'all come through, come buy y'all some used cars, come get you some paint done, come get you some body work done. Everything is for sale, you know. Take y'all on inside. Y'all see what they're working on, some stuff in the back, customizations to rebuilds, everything. Y'all see it. City, baby. Now you can say what's up, huh?
Hey, now 21. Night. Put him straight to bed. Was that the fight the other night? At the Pittsburgh Steelers game. Becky crazy.
Let's go. Okay, then I like this. Paint, man. Excuse me, sir. We gonna put some shine on this one. It ain't shining yet. You can put some shine on it. Smells strong, boy. Smell like a lot of paint in here. Okay, where my G-body guys at? Ooh, look at this floater, y'all. Look at this floater right there. Ooh, that hurt. That floater, serious. That hurt. That's a mean bend.
Yeah, it's bent.
I seen some potholes on the highway earlier that looked like that was gonna end my life.
Your video going?
I was scared. Yeah, that could be a thumbnail.
Yeah.
That's terrible. That hurt. Yeah, that hurt.
What they doing on meals?
Look, y'all, the original seats. G-body gang.
They make the seats for that.
They make the seats. What color is this gonna be?
Red.
It's gonna be all red.
Is this a collection?
Ooh, looky here, y'all. Looky. Looky. Ooh, wait, them gonna be mean. In the G-body. Here comes some G-body pressure. Here comes some G-body pressure. Look like they had some floats on her. Skulls, yes sir. Hold on, they calling me. Ooh. I don't know. I don't know, might be. Can one of y'all move that for me? Is he about to come out?
Nah, it was this that was looking.
Cutlass out there. Scrap. I'm gonna take y'all back. So all these for sale. All of these is for sale. Let's see. Whoa. Big boy Porsche. Big boy center cap on there, ain't it? Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. So y'all see it, man. Working, working, working. That's all we doing, working. No days off. Working, working, working. No days off.
Boat that was just in this motherfucker.
Oh yeah?
Just had a big ass boat.
A boat? So working, working, working. So it was a boat. What y'all end up doing to it?
I was just painting it a little bit and cleaning it up.
Oh, okay. Quality. It's good quality, cuz. Good job, cuz. Good job. It's quality, y'all. Let's check out this Cutlass while we at it, y'all. Let's do the Cutlass. Another 71. 71, 72. Nice Oldsmo. Yeah. There we go. Looking good. Vintage. OG. Can't wait to see that rear back deck go in. Okay. Ooh. Dope clothes. Nice.
Got them jobbies in, you hear me? Different styles, you hear me? I'm out the trunk right now. Shop opening up September 1st. Cincinnati, Ohio, you hear me? It's going down. We got different ones. Got the exotic belts too, you hear me? Jumping off. Different little flavors, you know what I mean? Different colors, you know what I mean? We got the Burberry belts, you know what I mean? The real joints, you hear me? Come up out of Lenox Mall. You know what I mean? Then we got the you know what I mean, the one type joints, you hear me? Jumping off. We are Missouri, you hear me? It's going down. I mean, give me your YouTube channel.
What's going on here right now, my brother?
It's going down. We got the shirts at the trunk, you know what I mean? Different little shirts, you know what I mean? Tie-dyes. Different, you know what I mean? It's going down in Ohio.
Oh, I like that one.
Cincinnati, you hear me? Yeah, that's the truth. Always hustle. You know what I mean? This is just a little something I just pulled out. Can't ride with everything right now.
I like that blue one.
Yeah, we also got exotic purses too for the women. You know what I mean? We got the bags too. Jessica Simpson. Clutch with the bag, you know what I mean, for the women. You know what I mean?
How much is something like that?
Shit, I let the whole set go for $100.
Ooh.
I'm giving out deals, bro. I'm giving out love right now. You hear me? Like the love. Okay. We got a little bit of everything, man. We got the Coach flip flops. Jumping off. Also with the with the Coach bag, you know what I mean? Coach on Coach for the women.
Looking good.
You know what I mean? Then we also we got a little bit of everything, man. We got the
So
massages.
shipping orders also?
We got the massagers for the body. Yeah, shipping order also. We're gonna get all that popping off too. We're gonna get everybody involved. You know, we got the neck and shoulder massager. We got a little bit of everything, you hear me?
Okay.
We got white tees, white beaters. It's going down.
Can you give them the address one more time where it's gonna be?
It's gonna be at 2312 California Street in Bond Hill, off of Paddock, Cincinnati, Ohio.
Okay.
Hey.
Thank you, my boy. I appreciate that.